Zabati from F&B department. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order.
Okay, sir. But may I have your complete name and room number?
Okay, Samante, room 501.
Okay, sir. Thank you. What would you like to order, sir?
I would like to order your smoked breast chicken.
I'm sorry, sir, but our smoked breast chicken is currently out of stock. Would you like to try our beef tenderloin steak, sir? It is also our best seller.
Okay, I'll have that.
Okay, sir, may I ask, sir, how would you want it to be done? Rare, medium, or well done, sir?
Well done, please.
Okay, sir, our beef tenderloin steak contains with garlic, sir. Do you have any allergies with garlic, sir?
No, I don't have any.
Okay, sir, would you like to try our sweet red wine merlot? It is best paired with your beef tenderloin steak, sir.
Okay, that sounds good. I'll have that.
Okay, sir, a glass or a bottle?
A glass, please.
Okay, sir, how about for your dessert, sir?
No, thanks. I'm fine.
Okay, sir, and for your beverage?
I'm fine with water.
Okay, sir, is that all?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I will repeat your order. You order beef tenderloin steak, well done. You don't have any allergies with the garlic. And you also ordered a glass of sweet red wine merlot, and you don't order any dessert. Is that all correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir, your food will be served in your room within 30 minutes. Will that be alright, sir?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you and enjoy. Room service. Room service. Room service, may I come in? Good morning, sir. I am Zabati from F&B department, and here is your food. Where do you want me to put this, sir?
Just put it here.
Here is your sweet red wine merlot from California, year 2021, and the alcohol content is 30%. And here is your water, sir, and your beef steak tenderloin. And here is your bill, sir. Your bill is 1,000, and your mode of payment is signing privilege. Please sign this, sir. Thank you, sir. That would be all, sir. Thank you and enjoy.
With pleasure.